Uh, so good evening everyone. Sini here from Achievements Alternative Learning Space or Hub in Bangalore, based in Bangalore. We are basically a free and continuous support and guidance center for any child who is struggling in academics. Focus areas on LD and ADHD, but any child who comes to us, we don't say no to. We guide them towards the right direction or the person. We have a network of professionals, we have a network of educators, we have a network of no, teachers, parents. It's a collaborative effort. It's just a collaborative social initiative. Okay, so I just thought of joining in today early a bit, so that I can share little more information about what can be done. Okay, there are four people who are waiting. Priya or Shweta, please keep admitting them. You will see in your participants window, and upper you can see admit all. You can just click on that admit all. Till my group members join, I need one of yours support. Once they join, I'm okay with, if you are focusing on the session, I'm okay with that. Okay, so first thing I would like to cover is the Office of Learning Support that I mentioned yesterday about Ashoka University. Did any one of you go over that website? I'm taking it as a no because nobody is saying yes. Yeah. So chat window I cannot see at present. I'm only looking at the faces who are there online. Okay. Now, Office of Learning Support Ashoka University, if you type it in Google, everything is there. It doesn't make any sense that I give you or tell you about anything that is already there for you to view. So adults, we don't spoon feed, right? We can only spoon feed children. Adults, it is self learning. If you think you need to know, you need to understand more, you go and search for it. But that is a beautiful page where you will get each and every information about flexibilities and exemptions that are available in school. It is not a norm. Okay, it is not yet a norm in India, but it has started working. I kept telling this in my last webinar also, which I attended, but there were few of adults. I'll not specifically say parent or teacher because I really don't know. But when I said that it is starting now and it is there, I have had personally, I have had a talk with the principal and got it done for a child, and outrightly the person was telling, no, it is not there. No, it was never there. It is not there. So if I close my eyes and I keep on telling it is night, it is night, it is night, it is never going to be day for me, right? I have to open my eyes to see if the change is happening or not. And I have to keep that window open to see or listen कि हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. Things are happening. Things are moving forward. So if you are closing your eyes as a parent or a teacher or an adult, students we cannot tell because they are children. They're children, they don't know everything. By default, God has given us more brains to explore, find, research, ask till we get what we want, till the child can talk for themselves. So, all the exemptions of no skipping the language, using apps. The moment I say apps are permissible to be used in the schools, everybody tells me, no, Sini, you're wrong. Nobody allows. अरे आप जाके बोलो तो पहले सही. अभी तक नहीं था लेकिन अभी होगा. आप पहले जाके पूछो. पहले से क्यों आप डिसाइड करके बैठे हो कि नहीं होगा. आप कोशिश तो करो. शायद तुरंत ना हो. अगर आपके बच्चे को 10वीं के लिए चाहिए, 1 साल पहले से शुरू कर दो. पूछना शुरू करो. ठीक है, हो सकता है आपके बच्चे को 10वीं में मिल जाए, 5वीं में मिल जाए, चौथी में मिल जाए, पहली में शायद ना मिले, लेकिन चौथी तक तो मिलेगा ना. बात तो करना शुरू करो. हर जगह जाके झगड़ा करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. यू हैव टू ओनली पुट इट अक्रॉस and keep insisting. 8 people are in waiting, please no, admit them. Okay, and अभी तक का जो भी flexibilities, I'll just no, tell it for everybody's knowledge. I will flexibility of dropping subjects. Choose only one subject. This is available in all the boards. Okay, please don't misunderstand that it is available in one board and it is not in other. child has to take only one language, that is probably we say English. But if it is in North India, you would say Hindi or any one language. That is a priority. But since English is the medium for studies, we prefer telling English. But again, it can change. Okay, I need to admit because there are 10 people waiting.
Yeah, I'm unable to admit them here. And I can see only participants as 13. It's not reflecting here. Now I can see 18, yeah.
नहीं, वो पार्टिसिपेंट्स का विंडो खोलना पड़ेगा आपको, तभी दिखेगा.
Okay, okay. All right.
ओके,
Yeah.
विंडो खुली रखनी पड़ेगी साइड में, थोड़ा साइड में लेके
Okay.
जाकर रख दीजिए, आपको दिखेगा. तो एडमिट आल क्लिक कर दीजिएगा तो
Yes,
आ
yes.
जाएंगे. सो ओके, सो सी that flow of thought goes na, then I may miss out something which I was telling. Okay, it है ना, मौका मिलेगा बोलने का. तो स्कूल में एक लैंग्वेज छोड़ दीजिए. सब्जेक्ट्स अगर मैथ या साइंस या फिजिक्स को एक सब्जेक्ट डिफ़िकल्ट पड़ता है 5th स्टैंडर्ड ऑनवर्ड्स और 6th स्टैंडर्ड ऑनवर्ड्स, बच्चा उसमें एग्जेम्पशन ले सकता है. जो बच्चे को समझने में दिक्कत हो रहा है, अगर लर्निंग डिफ़िकल्टी है और बच्चे के पास डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है, नो स्कूल कैन से नो फॉर द चाइल्ड. They have to give the flexibilities. As per the RTE, child has to get the exemptions. But somebody has to talk for the child. Child cannot talk for himself or herself. So the only best person is parent. Teacher can help and guide the parent, but the talking part parent only has to do. Documentation part parent only has to do. Because ultimately parent is the one who has the authority to do. And they have the right to do. Okay, taking subjects, losing subjects. Yeah, 1 second, Priya. Let me finish, otherwise I'll forget what I'm telling. Okay, so please note down your query so that I can ask you. Then after that, अगर बच्चा लिख नहीं पा रहा है क्लासरूम में या रीड नहीं कर पा रहा है, उसको एक बच्चे के साथ बैठाइए जो रीड करते रहेगा, ये सुनेगा. बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि लाइफ लॉन्ग आप वो बच्चे को उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट कराएं. नहीं, साथ में रेमेडिएशन चालू रहेगा. But don't keep insisting on the child on doing something that he cannot do, because it's a real torture for the child. You're wasting your time, you're wasting everybody's time, and you're wasting, you're badgering the child's self-esteem. You is not any one person. In general, I'm telling. So please don't take it on yourself. In general, I'm telling. Uh, Give the reading support for any child in the classroom. It is very easy to address this at a very early childhood. 5, 6, 7 best age to address it, because 6 से 8 महीने में गैप आप फिल कर सकते हो. अगर कोई भी बच्चा आपका नहीं पढ़ रहा है, वेदर यू आर अ पेरेंट और अ टीचर, प्लीज़ ये सोचिए कि मैं इसको नहीं सिखा पा रही हूँ, तो मैं ऐसा क्या करूँ जिससे मैं इसको सिखा पाऊँ. बच्चा छोटा है, ब्लेम बच्चे के ऊपर मत डालिए कि ये कुछ नहीं पढ़ सकता, ये कभी कुछ नहीं करेगा, ये मस्ती करता है, ये सुनता नहीं है. नहीं, Nahi, I'm sorry to say, adult is the one who is responsible here. By default, you have more brains than a child. It's as simple as that. No offense meant to anybody. अगर मैं एक बच्चे को नहीं पढ़ा पा रही या नहीं पढ़ा पा रहा हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्या कर रहा हूँ या मैं क्या ऐसा करूँ जिससे वो पढ़ने लगे, then start your trial and error. In the process, you learn. In the process, this child will start learning. Never give up on any child who comes to you. ओके, सब्जेक्ट्स का हो गया. लिखने का, अगर बच्चा लिख नहीं पा रहा है तो ये ना बोलो कि आप क्यों रीड करके लिख नहीं कर रहे, आप क्यों नहीं टेस्ट कर रहे, आप क्यों नहीं एग्जाम में अच्छा मार्क्स लेके आ रहे. अरे बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट रीडिंग और राइटिंग वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आप उसी को वही करवा रहे हो जो मैंने फर्स्ट डे या सेकेंड डे में बोला था. नॉलेज असेस करने के लिए रीड करके लिखना ज़रूरी नहीं है. क्वेश्चंस वर्बली पूछा जाए, आंसर्स वर्बली लिया जाए, रिकॉर्ड किया जाए, स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट ऐप यूज़ किया जाए. Every school will allow one device, provided it should be a basic facility. It should not have internet. It should not have Wi-Fi connectivity, because children will learn. Children will cheat. Even we will, yeah. Even I will. If I have the option, I will also cheat. So why give that option? Block everything and give. Every school will allow this in a school or a college. Please know. ये सोच के मत बैठिए कि नहीं हो रहा है. कुछ हो रहा है, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. आपको भी आपका अपना पहला कदम रखना पड़ेगा. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग इज ऑफिस ऑफ लर्निंग सपोर्ट. ऑफिस ना क्या था, हाँ, ऑफिस ऑफ लर्निंग सपोर्ट, अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी. एवरीथिंग इज रिटन डाउन देयर वेरी क्लियरली. क्या क्या मिलता है, कैसे मिलता है, कैसे आपको अप्रोच करना है, किसके पास जाके बात करना है, सब कुछ दिया हुआ है। अगर एक कॉलेज का मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे सकती हूँ, तो आप क्यों दूसरे कॉलेजेस या स्कूल्स में जाके ये नहीं बोल सकते कि ये सिस्टम आपके पास है क्या? Saptaparna, I will call her when she starts talking. She already started her work. She already started her work. You don't have to wait for anybody's permission. And what she did, I want her only to tell in today's class. When she comes, she will come and tell you. See, each one of us are here for some purpose. अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं तो करें, नहीं कर सकते तो दूसरों को बता के दें या दूसरों को बोले कि आप करो। एक एक छोटा सा कदम आपका। I have minimum 5 parents who have connected with me. Minimum 5 parents have connected with Bala मैम। हमारा पर्पस हो गया। 100 में से अगर 10 भी हमको मिल जाते हमसे बात करने के लिए, हमारा पर्पस हो गया। I am not sitting and crying, "Ayo, from out of 77 I got only 10." No, I got 10. I am very proud of that. Because those 10 will reach out to another 5. That is how we are supposed to work here. Everything is there. Please start getting aware first. And then start working towards it. ये सोच के आंख बंद करके मत बैठी रहिए, कुछ नहीं है, पहले भी नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं है, आगे भी नहीं होगा। नहीं, आप भी रह जाओगे पीछे। जैसे बाला मैम ने बोला, अपग्रेड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, आप कोई भी फील्ड में हो। मेक योरसेल्फ इंडिस्पेंसिबल। यू कैनॉट चेंज एनीवन, यू कैन चेंज योरसेल्फ, यू कैन अपग्रेड योरसेल्फ। अरे मेरे बच्चा ये नहीं करता है, मेरी टीचर ये नहीं करती है, मेरी पेरेंट्स ये नहीं करते, या मेरे हस्बैंड ये नहीं करते हैं, मेरी वाइफ ये नहीं करती है, ये नहीं बता के देती है, कोई सुनता नहीं है। हमको ऑलरेडी मालूम है यार, ऑल द डोर्स आर क्लोज्ड, ऑल द विंडोज आर क्लोज्ड। अब क्या? अब यहाँ से ठीक है, अभी सब कुछ बंद है, अभी इससे बुरा और कुछ हो नहीं सकता है। ठीक है, चलो पता करते हैं यहाँ से अच्छा हम क्या शुरू कर सकते हैं, या यहाँ से हम, इट्स ऑलरेडी डेड एंड, उससे आगे तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता ना। इट्स ऑलरेडी डेड एंड, राइट? एवरीथिंग इज एट ए फुल स्टॉप। ठीक है, वहाँ से अगला नया बिगिनिंग शुरू करते हैं कुछ तो। आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग अ थॉट इन योर हेड। Never give up on any child. As an adult, you can never give up on yourself and any child. Office of Learning Support, Ashoka University. I attended this program. Reena Kapoor, I think her name is. She is the director of this office. If you connect with that, contact us. You will see the official mail ID. If you mail, you can connect with her. And they are all busy with their work. They may respond, take their time and then respond in due time, but they will respond. वो नहीं किया तो कोई और करेगा. Keep seeking information. Keep seeking information. I am a very introvert person. The first day of this session, 2:30, I had a panic attack over here. I was continuously going on crying because this is the biggest fear for me, coming and talking in front of people. I have anxiety issue. Each and every one of us, we have our own fights. किसी का भी लाइफ परफेक्ट नहीं है, लेकिन जब आप मेरे को देखोगे और जब मैं इस टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रही होंगी, आपको उसका वो एंग्जाइटी का एक अंश भी नहीं दिखेगा मेरे अंदर। आपको ये कभी लगेगा ही नहीं कि मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन है, सबको होता है, सब मैनेज करते हैं। वी ऑल आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू हैंडल दैट। ओके, सो again and again I will tell, please refer Office of Learning Support. Any school, any college, when you're calling up, give blank calls. मेरे बच्चे के लिए एडमिशन चाहिए, आपके स्कूल में ये स्टैंडर्ड के लिए एडमिशन है क्या? आपके स्कूल में ऑफिस ऑफ लर्निंग सपोर्ट है क्या? अरे नहीं है, नहीं हमको तो चाहिए। रख दो फ़ोन, हो गया ख़त्म आपका काम। 1 मिनट नहीं लेगा आपका। आपने वो क्वेश्चन डाल दिया उनके ऊपर, उनके लिए बिजनेस है। अगर 2 जन भी उनको बुला के बोलेंगे आपके पास ऑफिस ऑफ लर्निंग सपोर्ट नहीं है, नहीं हमारे पास तो सेंड डिपार्टमेंट है, नहीं हमको सेंड डिपार्टमेंट नहीं चाहिए, हमको ऑफिस। स्पेशल नीड क्यों चाहिए हमको? एवरीबडी इज इक्वल। हमको ऑफिस ऑफ लर्निंग सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप क्या लर्निंग सपोर्ट देते हैं बच्चों को? हमको वो चाहिए। Trust me, there won't be even a single school who will say no for this if they are getting admissions and it is business for them. It is money for them. It is a benefit for them to have an office of learning support because then they can take additional fees for it. It's a win-win situation for the parent and the teacher and the school. Create the demand. Anybody wants to say something? Priya, you wanted to say something. I'm sorry, darling, I couldn't allow you to talk at that time.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
My
बोलिए.
query is every school allows dropping of subject. So is it applicable for all the schools or selected schools only?
All the boards I will tell, because all the schools come under one or the other board. So all
Okay,
the
and
boards,
this
one language only is mandatory for a learning difficulty child or any child who is having struggle. Proper documentation is needed to
Hanji.
go and approach and take this flexibility. और this is India. Please remember, India का government officers बहुत slow काम करता है. हमको भी पता है ये सब. हम भी शायद वहाँ पे काम करेंगे तो हम भी वैसे ही करेंगे. हाँ, yeah, please ask.
And ma'am, it starts from which class?
Class 1 onwards.
Ma'am, it is not there in our school then.
कोई भी स्कूल में नहीं है. आपको बोल के शुरू करवाना है. मिलता है जब आप जाके बोलना शुरू करोगे. If there is any parent, see the only difficulty comes if the parent is in a denial. Because हम पेरेंट के थ्रू ही बात करा सकते हैं. बट आप अगर टीचर हो तो आप चुपचाप नहीं बैठो. आप वो ऑफिस ऑफ लर्निंग सपोर्ट का वेबसाइट का लिंक लेके जाके प्रिंसिपल से बात करो, स्कूल के डायरेक्टर से बात करो. सर, ये एक फैसिलिटी है जो हमको पता चला है कि है, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल फॉर एवरीबडी. व्हाई डोंट वी थिंक अबाउट इट? लेट देम से नो, इट्स ओके. कीप ऑन टेलिंग पोलाइटली. कीप ऑन टेलिंग, सर ये बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम है, हम क्यों नहीं करते हम अपने बच्चों के लिए. प्यार से बोलिए. वो भी सोचेगा, अरे इसको कहाँ से पता चला. सच्ची बता रही हूँ. nobody is aware of this. It is everything in one page.
Sure.
It has to become a norm. If we start now, in the next 1 year or 2 years, it will become a norm. हाँ, क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, ठीक है. टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. हर स्कूल शुरू भी करेगा तो शुरू में क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. Again, there the parent only has to keep creating the demand for the better quality. We are the customers. Everything is in our hand. Start using that. We need to use.
ma'am,
हाँ, बोलिए.
one more request. I wanted to join the community of yours. Like, how to do that?
Okay, which community? Now, we are one, but we are two. One is Bala ma'am's, one is mine. So
Both.
okay, so let me just update you on the offerings that we have for the participants over here. हम लोग दोनों एक ही है. बस हम लोग सब एक साथ काम करते हैं. एक अकेला कोई काम नहीं कर सकता. हाँ, एक मिनट श्वेता, let me just answer her, otherwise.
Yes. People are waiting, unable to allow them in. They've dropped in the message.
Okay, somebody can check the participants and tell me if Barkha or Bala ma'am has joined.
I have joined.
Okay, Barkha. Okay, 1 second. I'll make you the host. Baby, please admit.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
हाँ. Okay, Barkha, रख कैमरा चालू रख. She is the educator who is there with me from past 1 year. This is Barkha Devan. She is from Delhi.
Hello.
I am in Bangalore. Okay,
Me too, Delhi.
So she joined me as an educator, but she is now my team manager and quality control assistant. In 6 months. Trust me, this field is huge. And if you bring up to a level where your knowledge is so high, you don't have any competition. You don't have to worry about competition. I don't worry about my competition. Because knowledge is something, the more you give, the more you get. Okay, Priya, just remind me, what did you ask?
I'm joining the community.
हाँ, joining the community. Okay, 2 community है, ठीक है. एक LD community, हमारा है सब. दोनों एक ही है, लेकिन LD remedial जो बाला मैम का है, उसमें सारा ऑनलाइन मॉड्यूल्स है. रीडिंग का मॉड्यूल, राइटिंग का मॉड्यूल, ना एग्जीक्यूटिव फंक्शनिंग का मॉड्यूल, और क्या है, मैथ का मॉड्यूल, NIOS और ओपन स्कूलिंग सिस्टम का मॉड्यूल, ये सब है. इंडिविजुअली अगर वो पैकेज लोगे तो वो 4999 पड़ता है. आज शायद बताएंगी मैम, इंडिविजुअली लेने से तो 20,000 पड़ जाता है वो, ठीक है, तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है। लेकिन अगर आप कॉम्प्रहेंसिव लोगे तो इट इज़ 8,999, दैट इज़ बाला मैम्स ऑफरिंग्स के। बट उनका खासियत क्या है, एक बार आप उनके कम्युनिटी में जुड़ जाते हो तो आप वो प्रोग्राम लेके आप सीखते रहते हो, आप अपने बच्चों को सिखाते रहते हो। जैसे ही आप अटकते हो एक जगह पे आके, तो आपके पास एक कम्युनिटी है जहाँ पे आप तुरंत जाके अपना मैसेज डालते हो, और वहाँ पे बाकी टीचर्स और वो बाला मैम आके आपको एड्रेस करती है, या तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग भेजेंगे और वो एड्रेस से सब कुछ वो कम्युनिटी में होता है। तो वैसे 100 सवाल अगर एक दिन में आ रहा है तो आप देखो कितना इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पे मिल रहा है, वो सारे जो हैं उसके अंदर। But that is the benefit of her community. That is how she works. And every week they have a meeting. जो भी community join करता है, weekly they have a meeting for all the feedbacks and problems and all that. So this is a field where one stretch you will not learn everything. One step, one and a half years you will take to learn what you need to do. एक
Thank you.
कोई भी ऐसा कोर्स नहीं है जो आपको एक स्ट्रेच में सब कुछ बता देगा, बिकॉज हर बच्चा एक अलग रिक्वायरमेंट के साथ आपके पास आता है। जब बच्चा आपके पास आता है ना, तब एक्चुअली आप सीखना शुरू करते हैं। थियोरेटिकली प्रैक्टिकली हम कितना भी आपको सिखा दें तब, ठीक है। दिस इज द LD1।
Right.
मेरा जो है अभी अचीवमेंट्स का जो है उसमें 2 ऑफरिंग्स है। द बेस्ट इज प्लीज कम एंड जॉइन मी एज एन एजुकेटर बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग। I will train you for 2 years, 2 months, sorry, not 2 years. I'll train you for 2 months, and then I will give you children one by one, depending on how much you want to take. Payment and all I cannot tell here, I will tell on the personal window. But one child, it is all per child. आप एक बच्चे के लिए टाइम है, आप एक बच्चा करो, 2 कर सकते हो 2 करो, 3 कर सकते हो 3 करो, उससे ज़्यादा we can give provided the quality doesn't come down. Quality is the priority. I have a very strong and stringent quality assurance department in which Hema ma'am is the head. She is my pillar. If she is not there, I'm dead. I'm dead. But she is the one who is the quality head. वो देखती है मेरा पूरा बच्चों का, वो ही देखती है, उसलिए मैं अभी ये वेबिनार वगैरह कर पा रही हूँ। That is one option. Okay. Second is you take a teacher training program with us, in which 10 days is theory, 20-25 days is practical. So it is 1 month duration. But again, it will give you a certification. It will give you all the strategies, which is, if you ask me very honestly, it is incomplete without the practical exposure, hands-on exposure. There is no course anywhere in the world which will give you a complete practical knowledge in 6 months or 1 year. It will give you the theoretical knowledge. I have 4 certificate courses, proper course. मैंने proper पढ़ाई किया है, मेरे को लेकिन ABC नहीं पता था। मेरे को I'm being very blunt. मेरे को सिर्फ थियोरेटिकली पता था, ठीक है ये ऐसा है ये ऐसा है। जब बच्चे आने लगे मेरे पास, तब जाके मेरे को समझ में आने लगा कि ओके दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन पार्ट इज अ ट्रिकी पार्ट। तो पेरेंट को भी हम इसलिए बोलते हैं आप रेमेडियल शुरू करो बच्चे का पहले, साथ साथ आप भी हो, ताकि कल को अगर एक्सपेंसिव पड़ रहा है या किसी कारणवश आप लिए क्लास नहीं ले पा रहे हो तो बच्चों का रुक ना जाए। तो ये ऑफरिंग्स है।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I hope it is all clear. Shweta, you were asking something. After that, I'll come to Shikha call. When it is 4 o'clock, please somebody tell me.
It's almost.
Okay, Shikha, ask, shoot.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
My question is there a difference between SEN and Office of Learning Support?
सेंड डिपार्टमेंट इमीडिएटली अपने मन में एक टर्म के साथ ही एक डिस्क्रिमिनेशन लेके आ जाता है, स्पेशल एजुकेशन नीड। स्पेशल एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन स्पेशल क्यों है? एजुकेशन तो एजुकेशन है ना, सबके लिए एजुकेशन स्पेशल है, तो अलग से स्पेशल एजुकेशन नीड। दिस इज माई थियोरी, ओके, दिस इज माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दिस इज माई वे ऑफ फाइटिंग or way of putting things across. I hate that term, to be very honest. I hate that term because the moment you say special needs, it creates discrimination in people's head. बच्चे को कुछ खराबी नहीं भी हो, खामी ना भी हो, हमारे मन में आ जाता है, पेरेंट को दुखता है। हम क्यों किसी को जान के या अनजाने में हर्ट करें यार? वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, नो। Okay, so I prefer the term. It's about the term. डिसेबिलिटी है डिसेबिलिटी, लेकिन हम ऐसा टर्म क्यों यूज करें जो किसी को हर्ट करे? गोल क्या है? बच्चे को हेल्प मिलना चाहिए, बच्चे को जो चाहिए वो मिलना है, किस तरीके से मिले वो देखना है। हर्ट कर देंगे तो पेरेंट तो वैसे ही डिफेंसिव हो गया ना, वहाँ पे बेचारा अपना मन ठीक करेगा कि बच्चे को वो एक्सेप्टेंस लेवल लेके आने देखेगा कि हाँ मेरे को सपोर्ट लेना है, सपोर्ट लेना है। टीचर भी, मेरे को पढ़ाना नहीं आता है, मैं क्यों किसी को बोलूँ कि मेरे को ये बच्चे को पढ़ाना नहीं आता है? हम क्यों वो पॉइंट आउट करें? वीकनेस क्यों पॉइंट आउट करें? हम स्ट्रेंथ दिखाएं, स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में बात करें और वीकनेस को मैनेज करना सिखाएं। दैट इज़ माई अप्रोच, दैट इज़ बाला मैम्स अप्रोच, दैट शुड बी एनी ह्यूमन बींग्स अप्रोच। एम्पैथी, एम्पैथी, listening and empathy. Okay, so Shweta, it's 4 o'clock, so please hold on to your
Yes.
question. We can address to it at the end of it. Please note it down. Good evening, Bala ma'am. I'm very happy to see you again on the third day. Let me make you the host. You please take it on. Please continue. Take it on.
Good evening. Host disabled participant screen sharing. Okay, I need. All right, a very good evening to all of you. I think somebody wanted an answer to some questions. So, why don't you do it, Tini?
Only
1.5 घंटा वेट करना पड़ेगा तो उसको दे दो ना आंसर श्वेता को.
Okay, Shweta, you want to ask? Please shoot. Parkha, please admit now. Shweta, we are waiting.
Ma'am, I'm not having any question.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, Bala ma'am, I think we can go ahead. In between, I
All
just
right.
want, can I take just 1 minute, Bala ma'am?
Sure.
I want
sure.
Saptaparna to share something. I'm very happy to do it at the starting itself. Saptaparna, please go ahead. A big kudos to you. Everyone will know now. Please share.
No, I don't think it's anything big, but yesterday after Bala ma'am left, Cine ma'am was talking to us about the services provided by Ashoka University. They have a learning center, learning support service. So right after the course, I went on to that and I saw the guidelines that are given. So today, thankfully, I got many of the management people to agree that we can arrange the same in our school. So hopefully
Wow.
we'll do that. So that's something I'm looking forward to. Thanks to
Fantastic.
I wouldn't have known about it.
See, that
Fantastic.
one small step is huge. Because आपने
Yeah.
वेट नहीं किया कोई और आके फिर से आपको बताने के लिए, आपने अपना दिमाग यूज किया। सबके पास दिमाग है, भगवान ने सबको दिया है। यूज करो अपने लिए और दूसरों के बेनिफिट के लिए भी।
Actually, I did my special education under phenomenal lady, Dr. Krishna Swami, Mrs. Rukmini Krishna Swami. So, she's someone who taught all the time. If something has to be done, do it as soon as it can be done.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So that's the thing. That's it.
Okay, so I'm
Fantastic.
muting
No,
everybody. In case Bala ma'am, you go mute, please, you can unmute yourself. 1 second.
All
Yes,
right.
carry.
I think I can. Am I audible? Okay. So are you all excited? All right. So quickly type one learning, one takeaway that you had from last 3 days. One thing that was like wow moment for you. Everybody, I'm waiting. One thing that clicked amazing, or this is what I was hunting for, or yes, I learned this. Yes, I'm going to apply this. Yes, this is going to change my child's life. No long stories, reader scale, strategies. LD students all are updating ourselves throughout our life. Reader scale grippers. Very good. Amazing. Thank you so much. That gives me, children have same IQ. Yeah. Different ways of assessment, upgrading tools, colored overlays, and graph paper. In the 3 days of 1 hour each, this is all I could give. And what if I tell you I have 100 times more than this? 100 times more than this is there lying in my platform. What if I tell you? This is all I could give. But there's more if you continue to connect, if you continue to be a part of a community, if you continue to learn. There is so much more and so much relief and relaxed you feel when you can do it. Yeah. So another question. How many of you have decided to put that 10% side? Wonderful. Another thing you have to do today. Promise me you will do it. 10% for your growth and 10% to give to the society. If your salary is 1,000, please remove 10% every month to give back to somebody who's needy. You know why? That 10% will come back to you in 10 times. I am a living example. It's come back to me in 10 times. Sometimes I feel, itna kidhar se aaya? How did I get so much help? Or how did this miracle happen? Or how I was benefited by something? Because somebody taught me this. 10% for your growth, 10% for somebody else. Think your salary is only this much. That's it. It's all here. क्योंकि salary something, 10,000 मिलता है तो भी कम है, 1 लाख मिलता है तो भी कम है, 10 लाख मिलता है तो भी कम है. That's because we keep expanding our purchasing capacity, living capacity, lifestyle, and that's never ending. And ultimately, we all bloat up and go to a gym and pay that gym fellow also to come back. Yeah, pagalpan our life is all about. Because what do? When we have more money, we start eating or we buying more expensive goods. In our homes, there are so many expensive things unused. My TV is not started for last 4 years. I don't watch. There's no, TV is there, but we don't watch. And I think so many gadgets are going to go outdated now. What if we give it back to society in whatever form we can, whether it is your time or it is your energy or it is your money, right? Promise this to yourself and see the change that happens. You will be amazed to see the change. Fantastic. I've been practicing. Excellent. Those who are and those who aren't, start today. It's never too late. Okay. Let's now go back to our session. Session of day 5. Why is it not becoming full screen? Yeah, no, it's okay. Okay, great. So we are on day 4. Please read this. All of you can read, right? You can read it even if the spellings are a mess. So why should the spellings be correct? Sometimes I always wonder. The most beautiful thing, we make so much noise about phonics. Why phonics is not with F? Why is it with PH? That's what every child with dyslexia asks. When furniture can be with F, why is phonics not with F? I don't know. Science of English teaches us all this. So let me tell you something. Yesterday somebody wrote, you're this, you're that, you're great, you're falana tikana. Let me tell you, darling, I'm nothing. My question is, if I can do it, each one of you here can do more than me. You know why? Because I didn't have anybody to handhold. But I am there to handhold anybody who wants help. So you definitely can do more than what I could do. And that's what is my mission, that I want each one of you to do more than what I could do. And I'll tell you why am I saying this. I am saying this because today I want to share a small journey of mine, if you permit me, before we do the maths. The journey is, this is me. Grade 3, a slow learner. Today I call it slow learner. That time there was no word. I repeated class 3 twice because I was very, very weak in studies. My two brothers were toppers. Always, whatever they touched was only gold. And I had this comparison that I can't do anything. Only sister, only daughter. Na padhai mein achhi hai, na sports mein achhi hai, na koi cheez mein achhi hai. But there was one strength with me all the time, who believed that I can do, and that was my mother. My mother, who was grade 4 fail. If a grade 4 fail mother can have so much of faith, a village lady, I can't understand why we all educated mothers cannot have the same faith. Or is it because we are educated, we don't have the faith? Because we know too much. But my mother, my family believed, and most importantly, my teachers. I had not many, but one or two teachers who really helped me, especially in class 8. I remember in class 8, I had, my teacher was called by her principal for some sudden work, English teacher. She left for that, and the class, before she left, she just called me and said, Bala, just continue with the grammar class going on. She was teaching some adjectives. She said, why don't you just continue with it? I said, me? She said, yeah, you. And she walked away. And all the boys looked at me and said, Tere ko thodi kuch aata hai. I said, okay, matlab, kya karega abhi? Nobody trusts you. So I said, fine, let me try something. I don't know what happened that day. I started off teaching adjectives to the class. And I don't know, I taught it well is what the teacher said. The teacher walked in and she never, I couldn't see her. I was so engrossed. She was standing near the door and watching me quietly happening it. And I finished the whole chapter, whatever that exercise was. She walked in like a nice heroine and clapped and said, now I can go to principal's room more often. I said, what do you mean? She says, because you can do it so well without me. And that's amazing. That was my Uma ma'am in English. And then she called me later and said, you know, Bala, you can become a great teacher. Just one sight of yours, I felt you can make a difference. I said, I don't know, ma'am, you just left and I did it. That's it. That's nothing beyond that. Finished. Story is over. But then after that, that confidence came that yes, I can do something because somebody touched my hand and said, you can do it. And then it moved on. And I could, though I was never a very bright kid or was some topper, nothing. All that I could do is an average student, but I started playing a lot of sports. I became a national in basketball and I became an NCC cadet, became the best NCC cadet of Andhra Pradesh and also participated in the Republic Day camp. So I always think back and think, how did all this happen? I wanted to join army like my two brothers, but that was the first year army started for women and I missed it by 15 days. That means I was overage by 15 days. So my father called me and said, why don't you make many army men? What if you could not? So I said, how do I do that? He said, become a teacher. You can make many army men because teachers are the only people who can make doctors, engineers, or whatever they wanted. Ah, wow. And that's why my journey started. I did my B.Ed immediately after my graduation. This is my first school in Hyderabad where I learned a lot. The bunch of boys and girls, a very big school, very known school those days. I don't know now. I always taught 9th to 12th. And throughout my journey, I always wondered, why do some children do not do well? Because I could not do well. And then, of course, soon I got married and moved into a new city where I got the opportunity to become the principal of the school for almost, I was there for 7 years. And my entire journey, I always thought, why is it some children do not do well? All I got, best principal award and God knows, innumerable awards against my name. But all that did not motivate. This sport, that sport, everything. They are my mentors who taught me a lot. Post that, I resigned. I resigned because I wanted to hunt the answer to that question. Why do some children do not do well? Because I didn't know much about learning disability those days. Started my own organization called Prayas Charitable Foundation in 2008. I resigned in 2007. 9 months I stayed at home, did a lot of research, went to B.Ed colleges, did all the drama, and finally said, okay, let me start a center where I can help children myself, exactly what Sini ma'am is trying to do now. And then one by one, these beautiful ladies joined me. None of them are B.Eds, none of them are special educators, none of them have got any training, because that's what I decided. I don't want people who are too trained because they're not ready to learn. And I picked up people like Sini ma'am is saying 10-day training, 5-day training, 20-day training. I just had a mission, I'm going to train. Luckily, I had a very strong 15 years of experience of the mainstream. So I knew what's happening in mainstream as a teacher and as a principal. So I knew the entire drama there. So it was easy for me to really guide teachers and discriminate between what happens in a mainstream and how we deal with children in center. Today, all these children are professionals, all of them, because it's already so many years. Either somebody is in Europe, Germany, or some New Zealand, or some country, or India. Then I parallelly started an alternative school. What's an alternative school? So there are two kinds I had. One was for children with different needs, not different, again, focusing more on learning. And the alternate school was for anybody who wanted to leave mainstream for whatever reason. So I had kids who were super bright, but they didn't want to go to school because school was boring for them. Parents did not want children to get bored in schools. A bunch of parents, about 18 of them, one day walked into my office and said, our children are studying in the best school in the city, but we all want to pull them out. Can you take them? And then I took, with a lot of debate for 6 months, I debated with them for 6 months. I made them come to my office for many, many days. Why? Because I want to be sure whether they are taking a right decision of pulling out children from mainstream. Because a lot of times we get very excited to do things. And after 2 months, we realize, nahi, padosi ka bachcha to uniform pen ke DPS ja raha hai, mera bachcha to uniform pen ke kahin nahi ja raha. Now what happens? Because in my school, there was no strict uniform. I had only one t-shirt. And no structure, no fixed structure. We used to run it the way we wanted, with keeping everything that a child needs of that age. So we had mixed classes of mixed age groups studying together in many situations. And that's how that all ran. And even today, these children are all doing well in different parts of the country and in the city that I am in. And that journey continued. So I have another branch in Gandhinagar, which is for children from low socioeconomic background, where the funds come from the government. They support us and we help out children from slums, from low socioeconomic background. And many of these kids have also passed their 10th and 12th. So they're all kids from government schools the government schools also could not teach them. So they are dropouts. Well, my journey from here, or in fact, in 2012, I decided that how many children can I help like this? Not many. The only way is to start becoming a formal teacher trainer. So I traveled across India, from one state to the other, one city to the other, one village to the other, and kept on training teachers. And finally, I switched on from offline mode to online mode. I made my courses. I have courses in Udemy. So a lot of teachers from 110 countries have taken up that course till now. More than 4,000 students are there in Udemy. But the difference between Udemy and this, what I do now, is that in Udemy, you can do a course and that's it. You have no connect with the coach or anybody. In Udemy, you do a course and you watch the videos, you answer the questions, you do all that. But when you're stuck, like Sini ma'am said, you'll get stuck somewhere because every child is a new challenge. Then what happens? Then you have no help. And that's why consistent support is important. And that's what I started after that, which is my platform, which is called LD Remedial World. Anyway, we did a lot of drama in the sense, a lot of noise making in life for awareness, one of which was drama. We did a drama called Ek Baat Ankahi. It was a natak. All these children are dyslexic. We trained them how to, they were good at acting, but they could not read their dialogue. So the teachers would help them. We did one in our city, then we repeated it somewhere, then we did it a bigger one. Finally, National School of Drama selected us drama for the awareness of learning disability. And we did our presentation there also, and it was highly recognized. So this has been my small story, and the journey continues. Now it's a bigger mission because now it's easier with an online platform and a faster reach through technology. Things have become easier. So my question to you is, if I could do it, is there anyone here who can't do it? Is there anyone of the 61 people here who can't do it? And if yes, what stops you from helping a child or helping your children in school or anywhere else? It's either now, it's there now also. What is there now also? Are you talking about the school center, Kara? If you're asking yes, no, it's no more. I've shut down everything. Now I give only online support, nothing. I shut it down before COVID. I didn't know COVID was coming. January 1st, 2019, I was in another city. I suddenly called one of my colleagues, the head of my school, and said, darling, I don't want to continue with the school. So you can announce to the parents, 4 months are there. April, the session gets over. And please tell them I don't want to continue. I can support them and help them in whatever way, but I don't want to continue. She said, ma'am, what are you talking? I said, yes, please tell the parents. So she called the parents on 1st of January 2019. And the parents did lots that this doesn't happen. But 20th March, when COVID hit us hard, everything happened. So they said, how did you know that this was going to happen? I said, I had no idea. मेरे अंदर की आवाज ने बोला अभी मेरे को बंद करना है. I don't know whether it was right or wrong. Initially, everybody felt it was wrong, but later everybody said, ma'am, that was a fantastic decision. At least you will not die of deaths, which many people are dying today. So that God's been with me, very kind and being with me for that. So are we ready to learn about dyscalculia? Amazing. But before that, let me ask you, do you want to know more about my platform? Before I give you more solutions, I am telling the Shiv Shivani school is there now. Yes, very much there. It's in Magdalla. No, it's in Medchal. It's still there. Those days, it was a big name. Now, I think the family divided and they have more branches. I don't know. I left in 96, way back. Okay. All right. So let me now share with you what's my platform all about. Okay. So in my platform, I have reading solutions blueprint. Reading, writing, maths, and body coordination. So reading solution blueprint has 4 bundles. And this is the value of the bundles. When I say bundles, each of them have a bunch of video solutions, which you have to click, watch, see, implement, and everything is practicals. With that, I offer bonus. Bonus is a free platform where you can go on asking questions 24/7, and you will keep getting answers to your queries. Then you have dyspraxia solutions for reading problems. There are so many reading problems you can deal with dyspraxia activities. What is dyspraxia? We'll be learning more tomorrow. Children with dyslexia generally do not have good organization skills, whether it is their bag or cupboard or room or whatever. So here I have explained the tips and strategies how you can help your child do it. Another bonus that I give is various golden rules for parents, which they must keep in mind while working with children. Like yesterday I said something, and today everybody's written patience. That's one. I have 30, 40, 50, 60 of them lying there. Then I have created games to play with these children. The aim, at the end of the game, it is they'll have some learning, but they'll never come to know that they're learning something. They only think they are playing. Also, various tools. What you saw is only 2 to 3 tools, but there are 70 to 80 tools I have kept there, which you can watch at your own time and implement. Yesterday, we also discussed about government provisions. So I always think, where will teacher go for every little thing? She has to go to this website, then that website. So what I did is I put everything in one place because I know what journey I went through hunting for information. So I don't want everybody to waste their time on this. I want the teacher to work with the child. Jitna time milta hai, help the child. Rest everything is I support. So all the boards, whatever provisions are there, everything I put there, the right document which the government has given. And if the child doesn't want to study in CBSE or any other board, there is a fantastic board, NIOS, about which Sini ma'am has said, I have said, again, you can ask me questions on this, through which the children can appear for their exams right from class 1 to class 12 at their own pace, selecting their choice of subjects and learn at their own time. And it's wonderful. All my 300 children are passed out from NIOS. Also, I've given a list of psychologists for you to connect with a parent, or if you are a parent, connect in the respective cities. So I've got this list across the country. All that you have to do is go there, find the name, find the location, call that doctor, ask, can I take an appointment? Also, a list of remedial centers. Like Sini ma'am was saying, practical experience is very important. You can either send the child there or you can go as a practice once you go through all these solutions. Now, of course, many of them are closed, but whenever it opens, it's going to be handy for you. So all this together, the value is 27,986. You will say, ma'am, what is this? Yeah, what is this exactly? But for teachers who are dedicated, who are passionate, and some of them are already here from my community, this is the price that you need to pay. This is for one solution. That's only for reading. Similarly, I have the entire bundle for writing. And similarly, I have the entire bundle for maths and the entire bundle for dyspraxia, that is body coordination, right? So 4,999 into 4 times will come to close to 20,000. But I don't want you to pay 20,000 because the total value goes up to 1,11,944. It's not about just getting a course. It's about getting a complete support for lifetime. There are members of my community here. They'll know how active our community is, how often we meet, and how often all our questions are answered. So if you go in for all 4 blueprints, then you need to pay only this amount. Once you pay this, you join my community. You get what I do once a week. So you get all this, right? And what you get is one-to-one session, consistent response in the forum. Every question asked will be answered by me or somebody whoever knows the answer to it is allowed. Weekly meet of 1 hour. Every Saturday we meet for an hour where I answer all the questions and add more value to their learning. And of course, the most important, a lifetime membership and a lifetime support. All right. So that's my share for this. If any one of you wish to get connected with me, at the end of this session, I will share the link. If not now, I can share the link to you if you want to get in touch with me in person. This is not a place to do any such thing, but Sini ma'am wanted me to share so that she also has the same mission as I have. The more people join, the more people will be benefited, the more children will be benefited. Sini, you on the camera, you want to say something?
Yeah, I remember, I think it was Shweta who took the registration for this LD certificate, and I remember her messaging me on the 4th or the 5th day that I have joined ma'am's community. Am I correct? Getting the name correct, Shweta?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Dr.
so
Shweta spoke yesterday.
yeah, but this was the message that she told me. Okay. So there are people who are going forward. They're not even waiting for us to give them the information. That is the proactiveness. You want something,
Yeah.
you go for it. Find out the details, go
Yes.
for it. I'm sure there will be many
Day
more.
one, yeah, day one, Sri Vidya messaged me and called me. I spoke to her. I made her understand everything. I said, take your time. If you think I can be of any help, you do. Within a few hours, she registered. She joined my community. She's there. Sri
Yeah.
Vidya, can you come on the mic and share? You. It's only been 2 days, I think, that you are there. But can you share your 2 days? Can Sri Vidya talk? Can she be unmuted?
Yes, just let me just hunt for her. I have to find her window. That is the only thing. Please make some noise, Srividya. Then your box will get
Shake your
highlighted.
hands.
It will get become easy for me to find you. Ah,
And
okay. I got you. I got her. I got her.
and a few others have been chatting with me, and my job is to tell you what I offer, how I support, what I do. I leave the choice to the person.
Good evening to everyone. Yeah, it's a beautiful platform to be here. And I've been in this field for almost some 8 to 9 years as a learning support for my kids in school. But it was, I mean, as ma'am said, it was always a calling in me, like where to find an answer. That was in me from many years as an educator from this field of teacher as 30 years. But the day ma'am, I have attended ma'am's workshop quite a number of times, but this was an online certification, which I wanted to do it. So the first day after the course was completed, I spoke to ma'am, and yeah, I always wanted to gather information to help children, because there are many times, as I was hearing to Sini ma'am also in the beginning, each child, it varies. You cannot use the same strategy for every child. So it depends on how the child needs that strategy. So many a times I failed, like I've told Bala ma'am also. I'm not able to get across to the child the way I want to get across. So I wanted many strategies. Then when I went and joined ma'am's team, there is a WhatsApp group. A lot of learning is happening. Of course, I have not yet started into the video looking things, because I'm working simultaneously for a school. So I need to make some more time to work into that area. But I'm sure, as it's a beautiful platform, and I'm so happy that so many of us are together for one common mission.
Absolutely.
I think that's the most beautiful thing, which I think every parent or every educator or every person in the community should remember, because it's always the gifted children who always get the support. The children who need it are not those children.
Yeah.
The children, they don't voice out, but we need to tap those individuals. They just quietly stay in one place and learn. So for them, I think we need to march ahead and help them holding their hands.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Bala ma'am, and thank you,
Sri
Sri
Vidya.
ma'am, once again for such a beautiful platform. And I wish every one of us join any one of the community and help all these kids.
That's it.
Go ahead.
That's it. Do whatever you can and
Yes,
choose whatever you
you
want to.
can. Yeah.
35 million children are waiting for support.
Yeah.
In whatever way,
each one of us can make one change for one child. I think that makes a difference.
My target for my community is every teacher has to touch 100 children.
Yes.
That's my goal. So I have 1 lakh teachers. I have to create 1 lakh remedial educators. So 1 lakh into 100. Still, I'll not meet 35 million.
And to be very honest, Bala ma'am, sorry, in my 30 years of education in this field of as a teacher, I think the past 8 years, I've lived every day of my life with happiness, because I've made a change in their
Yes.
life.
Yes.
So that's the biggest beauty. It's not that what others tell about you. It's the way you look at a child and that you see the milestones of improvement in each child. That makes the
Absolutely.
difference. Thank you once again.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Srividya. Thank you. So let me just continue with the session. We're talking about maths. Maths. How many of you love maths? I find maths very challenging. Even I was very weak in maths always. But I still I could still manage the biggest schools like 12,000 and 15,000 children without that maths knowledge, because I had people to do maths. Anyways, our children do need to learn maths. So what are the challenges they face? Let's revise. They have confusion. They don't remember rules, formulas, numbers, sequencing. What is the aim of a problem? They won't understand because they can't read well. Confusion between addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. For them, all the symbols look the same. Any information given in haphazard manner, first in maths, we have to put it in sequence and then solve it. But questions can be very complicated for these children. So maths in general, a big problem for children with dyscalculia. But let me also tell you, there are some amazing children who can do maths very well, but can't read. So I have this parent telling me, ma'am, maths, this boy is playing cricket now. He says, ma'am, वो maths बहुत अच्छा करता है. मतलब he's in class 2, but he can do grade 4 maths. But he can't read one line properly. So now what do? He's got severe dyslexia. Anyway, I'm coaching that. That parent has joined my community. So there are parents, there are teachers. So I have different sessions for parents, different session for teachers, and another session I have that is for adult children. Children about 17, 18, I do a session directly with them. So they don't join my community as for to go through these videos because I have not created videos for them. But yes, they join my counseling sessions because I do counseling for parents, for teachers, and for these adults. So they join that, and then we have a weekly webinar to help them in whatever challenges that they are going through. So let's come to some of the solutions. Related concepts, how to teach related concepts. Draw, draw, draw is my policy. Read out the sums loudly to them and ask them to draw. Okay, great. So much great. Remembering numbers, a very big challenge. This sounds simple. Hawa mein likhao, pani mein likhao. Do you know all these therapies? If they can't write on paper, forget it. Hawa mein likhao. Ask them to write on in air. Ask them to write on the wall. We use shaving foam, sabun ka foam. Spread that sabun ka foam in the bathroom and ask them to run their finger between that and learn numbers and words. It works like magic. Also in water. In water, there is friction when the finger moves, so they get excited and they do it well. And the best that works is on the body. So we play this game very often, writing something on the back and asking the child to guess. When you're doing that, our brain gets so activated. Have you ever tried? It's so activated when somebody is writing, your entire concentration is in the touch, the feel, and the instruction that goes to your brain on deciphering what is written. So it's so amazing way of learning. It's called kinesthetic way of learning. My favorite game, odd and even number. How do you teach odd and even number in our schools? We'll have one list of numbers and the teacher will circle that this is odd and this is even, or there might be many ways to do it. Any innovative way you can share so that next somewhere else I can share this. Priya Shetty says chessboard. Priya Shetty, did you get it from me or you knew it? Anyways, I will share what I have done and how it has helped me. So how I play odd and even number is we have these small coins and these boards with odd and even. So I put a chess board, place a chess board. On one side is a parent or the teacher and the other side the child. Now you throw the dice. So if the parent has chosen to be odd and the child has chosen to be even, when you throw the dice, suppose on the dice you get an odd number. So I am odd. Now I can take my coin and take those steps on the chess board. Okay. So we take, if it is 3 number on the dice, we can take 3 steps. My chance is over. Now my partner or whoever I'm playing with throws the dice. If that person is even, but he gets an odd number, skip the chance. So the chance comes back to me. Then again, I play that, throw the dice. And suppose I am odd and I get even. I cannot play. So like this, we take turns and our aim is to start from one end of the chessboard, my side, right side of the chessboard, to reach the right side of the chessboard to the opposite side. So we just go by line like this. Simply just go by the line. Whoever reaches first wins. So though it's only luck, because dice is luck, but what's happening in our brain is the registration of odd and even and odd and even. Try this. It's fun for children who struggle. And you can do this even on online. How? Just have a, what do you say, a PPT with a chessboard. Okay, each time you throw, you will tell it's odd or even, and then you can place. Just technically, if you are smart and if you paste it on one of the squares, you can keep moving and playing it online also. It's super fun. Absolutely. Number, what's this, Renuka? Number that has partner in even number doesn't have partner in odd. Yeah. Great. Difficulty in recognizing numbers. This is the best thing I have learned. The dice has numbers only from 1 to 6. But we can teach them till 20. We can teach them till 10, till 12. You only have to create new dice with more bindi dots. So what I do, I don't believe in spending money. मैं तो छोटा छोटा डब्बा लेके या डब्बा बना के उसके ऊपर I put bindi, normal bindi on each. Now the child touches and identifies the numbers. Simple. You might have used grains, you might have used chole. I mean, anything that works with your child. This is one solution, and like this, I have placed many solutions in my system. Okay. Now, coming to inability to make sense of concepts and relationships. Another confusing area. As far as possible for such children, please don't ask them to imagine. We have this thing in maths, you know, imagine that there are 4 chocolates in your pocket. Ayyo. Then they'll forget that there was 4 or 3 after some time. So as far as possible, kindly have the product right in front of you, whether it is online or offline. In offline, sit next to the child and have the product with you. In online, have the images of the product, whatever you are trying to tell them. Because when they see it, they are more sure and they can play better and learn better. So let me now share some golden rules for you. How many of you do this? If you do, type M. How many of you do this in your life, not in the class? Just in your life as a practitioner. Mahima does, Shikha says mindfulness, Jennifer does, Srividya does, Somi does, Priya does, Shubha does. If you don't do, please start. It is a medicine to many problems. Those who practice it know it. The beauty of meditation. I do meditation in my online class also. It's very easy. Just ask the child to close the eyes. Meditation has nothing to do with God, has nothing to do with religion, and nothing to do with promoting anything. It is just, according to me, from whom I learned, it's being with yourself. That's all. Meaning is, we are never with ourselves, because when our eyes are open, we are with somebody or the other. Like presently, I'm with you. Or when my eyes is open, I'm with my room. I'm with somewhere. Only when we close our eyes, at least we try to be with ourselves. We in Delhi government schools are following happiness curriculum. I know. I have been the one who created happiness curriculum. I had a 2-hour session with that person. And your Delhi government, what's the gentleman's name? To understand how things happen. Yes, it's very relaxing. Before you have a remedial session, ask your child to close your eyes, sit for 3 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever works. Initially, it will be very difficult, and it's very good for ADHD children. ADHD children cannot sit, cannot close eyes. You will ask me, then why are you asking them to do it? That's the beauty. They cannot close their eyes, but still we keep on telling them to do it. I tell them, 1 second ke liye band karega, 1 second. He'll do it for 1 second. Then next time I say 2 seconds. And I know of children who have shifted from 1 second to 30 minutes. And they'll say, ma'am, मेरे को नींद आ जाएगा. I said, very good. The more you sleep, the more fresh you will be, because their mind doesn't rest at all. They're always on the move, always on the move. So those kids need it more. So in my school, teachers would send them, if they don't answer properly in the class, or they're distracted, they'll say, go to ma'am's room. So my room was called meditation room. Anytime a child will walk in and say, madam, wo kya karte hain, aankh band karke, main uske liye aaya hu. So I had one sofa. They'll come and sit there. I'll tell them, okay, start. So they'll ask me, will you do? I said, no. Sometimes I do with them, sometimes I do. So they'll happily sit, close their eyes and sit. In case they open their eyes, they'll say, that's all I have to say. Again, they'll close their eyes. It was fun. That's it. So it became like a nature in children that they have to go and do this and come back. It gets them, wow, please do it. Please do with your own children. You do it. If you want, you can connect with some organization who can help you to streamline your patterns. Religion is not the issue here. Some people have this, ki nahi hai koi, you're promoting some. No, it's just to do with being with yourself. That's all. And the more you do it, the more innovative you are. That I have seen. You become very creative when you spend relaxing your mind, either morning or evening. How many of you do relaxation techniques after you finished your work? Do you know that? Okay, this was taught to me by an organization called Heartfulness. So what they tell is, once you come back from your work, whatever work you're doing, don't get into any room. Means you come and you put your bag and do everything, right? Put everything. Just wash your face, sit in one place, close your eyes, and spend 15 to 20 minutes just with yourself. You will tell me, ma'am, what are you talking? As I enter my house, I know the milkman has kept the milk, the vegetable fellow is there, the husband is waiting for something, the wife is asking something, the child is waiting. सब होने वाला है. Just मैं भी ये बोली थी. Even I said this 8 years ago. क्या बात करते हो? He said, Mataji, he told me like this, Mataji, मेरी बात सुनो. आज से तुम करो, बस जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो करो. It was difficult, but I decided, okay, as I reach home, I'll throw everything and sit on the sofa and do this. It's amazing. You know why? Because one is you disconnect with what you were doing whole day, because now you have reached home. So you're not carrying that nonsense of your whole day. Number two, you're so relaxed after that your energy level just shoots up to do more things. You're very cheerful. Your listening skills have improved in the 20 minutes of being silent. Because your children are waiting to tell you something once you reach home. Yes or no? And that time you're like, नहीं मेरा अभी phone आया, मेरा झगड़ा हो गया, मेरा ये हो गया, मैं परेशान हो गया, अभी तू कुछ मत बोल. This is how we react. And that poor fellow is waiting since morning. मम्मी अभी आएगी और मैं अभी उसको मम्मी को बताऊंगा आज मेरे क्लास में क्या हुआ. Mummy is like, wait, I'm not ready for it. Why? Our head is jumbled with chaos in our head. So even I did it. I did all this nonsense. But when I learned this, I realized, wow, can't I get this 15 minutes and then I give 5-7 hours to my family? And it worked. So I do it today also. When I think I finished my work, generally I don't finish my work, but when I think I finished my work, 15 minutes to myself. Detach. Just detach. It's amazing. Meditation has helped even children to read better. You will not believe. When we work with children, especially on reading, as far as possible, keep your mobile switched off. Parents and teachers, music systems, or anything around which can distract them, anything around. Because they are looking into the book, but the entire attention is on the sound that is periphering them. And that's the time they can't read, and we are thinking we are making a lot of effort to read. Avoid as much as noise possible. But if you ask me, तो slum के बच्चे कैसे पढ़ते हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम, क्योंकि वहां तो 24/7 शोर होता है. बच्चे फिर भी पढ़ते हैं. I have no idea. But all that I know is, if I can help by reducing the noise, let me do it. Do not merely give instructions. Demonstrate in detail. Demonstrate with action. Demonstrate with what you want the child to do. the results will be much better. You know, we have this habit of saying isko 50 बार बोला फिर भी नहीं करता है. Do you agree? पर 50 बार बोलने का जरूरत क्यों है अगर आप एक्शन करके दिखा सकते हो. Keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Keep your shoes. We'll go on. 14 years तक हम बोलते रहेंगे फिर भी वो नहीं करेगा. Jennifer is scratching her head. What Jennifer? मैं एक एक बोलूंगी ना तो सबका गलती पकड़ के आएगा क्योंकि मैंने भी किया है. Don't worry, मैंने भी बहुत किया है. So I'll tell you a story related to this. I have lots of stories. God has given me opportunities. Jennifer is like, Jennifer, don't worry. So I had this mother who came to me. Her son was 14. She was very, petrified, very angry and all that. I said, क्या हुआ? क्या मैडम नर्सरी से मैं मेरे बेटे को कुछ सिखा रही हूँ अभी तक नहीं सीखा. बात ही नहीं मानता है, बात ही नहीं मानता है इसे. So I said, क्या बात नहीं मानते? So she said, school से आने के बाद he should keep his bag in his place. Yes or no? I said, yes. But he doesn't do that. I said, since when? Since nursery. I said, what's the age of your child? 14. I said, I love you. You know why? अगर नर्सरी से आप एक डायलॉग बोल रहे हो 14 इयर्स तक, इसका मतलब नर्सरी में आपने ये कम से कम 150 बार बोला होगा, कम से कम. Now I started calculating. जूनियर में 200 बार, सीनियर में जो भी गुड, whoever is good in maths, please total. Then grade 1 में 365 days में school works around 220 days. So 220 times. मैं तो दिन में एक ही बार गिन रही हूँ. Mother says at least 7 times. Jennifer will fall from her chair now. At least 7 times she will say it. Then first standard, then second standard, third standard. 14 years अभी भी नहीं रखता है. So I asked her, किस लिए बोलते हो आप? मैडम वो करता ही नहीं. मैंने कहा, I told him so many thousand times you have said. It didn't work. What are you trying to do now? आपको लगता है आपको अभी भी बोलने से वो वर्क करेगा? तो मैं क्या करूं? नहीं बोलेगा तो करता नहीं. मैंने कहा बोल के नहीं करता है, नहीं बोल के नहीं करता है. Solution निकला क्या? नहीं. So I told her, the solution is this. Don't say. You know why children don't react? Because they know it so well. The minute I enter the record player is going to start and they don't listen to the record player. They know the minute I enter, अभी तेरा बैग रखा, टिफिन वहां रखा, बॉटल में अभी ट्यूशन टीचर आएगी है, जल्दी तू खाना खा ले, मैंने टेबल में बिस्किट रखा है तू. We are all like that. Just press the button. Ta -da 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 -da. We think that's our responsibility. So she said, मैं क्या करूँ? I said, पर्ची में लिख के रख दो. At least reading improve हो जाएगा उसका. I'm on a mission to help children read, whatever is the way. So she said, I said, आज के बाद you will not tell him to keep his bag. तू नहीं रखा तो मैंने कहा, अरे तुम्हारा एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लिया ना 14 साल, 14 नहीं, 14 and 3, my God, 17 years. अभी मैं जो बोलूंगी, do that. I did this. Don't open your mouth when your son comes from school. And do it for 10 days. ये नहीं कि one day करके next day you come and tell him, मैडम बैग नहीं रखा. मैंने कहा तुमसे जो 17 साल नहीं हुआ मेरे से एक दिन में नहीं होगा. But be patient, होगा. Listen to me. So walked in. I said, you will not open your mouth for 45 minutes till your son. So he came. He was his normal self. She didn't react, though it was very difficult. No, Jennifer, very difficult not to react. जान निकल जाती है, मैं बोलूं नहीं, माँ हूँ, मैं कैसे चुप रह सकती हूँ? So she didn't react. I said, whenever you feel like reacting, give me a missed call. The minute you will see my name on the mobile, you will say, Palama will shout at you, so keep quiet. So she didn't do. So every time I got a missed call, I said, chill, it's just a message to me. She didn't react. After 2 days, that boy asked me, Mama, क्या हो गया आपको? Are you okay? Because he was used to this record player, which didn't ring. I said, I'm going to practice this with my husband and my son. Please, seal this. You will see magic happening. So that's exactly what happened in that house also, Jennifer. Father and son asked, son says, very common scene in every house. Indian Hindi movies and serials show this very well. Then both of them slowly asked, क्या हुआ? तुम कुछ बोलती नहीं हो, silent हो, आजकल कोई कुछ नहीं. She said, नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक है. नहीं नहीं नहीं, this is not normal. What's wrong? Because they fear there is a volcano behind which will erupt someday. This is the Shanti before volcano. Then she said, then I told her after 3 days, I called her and said, क्या हो रहा है? She said, अभी भी बैग नहीं रख रहा है. मैंने कहा, did he ask you anything? He said, yes. What did you answer? कुछ नहीं. I didn't know what to answer. I said, tell him, I'm just trying to, do this, that you keep your bag in your place since 14 years. You're not doing Sarki Bana. Now, if you feel you do, it's your bag. No, it's your bag. It's yours. If you feel like you're doing, you do. It's okay. I'm okay, he said. You'll not believe, my dear darlings. It started from that day on. Because the mother decided to shut up. Next day onwards, the silence made more impact than the noise. Do you know, I have run the school without talking. I have these Mon days in my school. I take Mon. So I'll tell the teacher, I'll have a card and say, today is no talking day. So children think, yay, well, I'm not going to talk today. They think they can say anything, but they forget. Ye to kula hai na mera. So how human brain works? So I walk into my office and I'm not talking, I'm smiling with everybody. So the teacher will come and say, ma'am, I have to tell you this. So I'll do this. Bolo. So she'll realize, oh, aaj ma'am ka no talk day hai. So she'll be like, then I'll have one paper in which I'm written, I am not talking, you can talk. The no talking is for me, but how our human brains work? When we meet somebody who can't talk, we also start doing this. Yes or no? वो गूंगा बेचारा बोलता है. और we will start screaming loudly. तुमको पता है? Who is more disabled? The able is more disabled. So all my children do this. आज मैम नहीं बोलेगी कुछ भी, and they'll talk all nice things. I'll record. मेरे को सुनाई देता है ना. अगले दिन no talk. अगले दिन it is my talking day. So I'll vasool all that they have said the previous day. I mean, in my school it's all fun. I say, बाबा कल मेरे बारे में बहुत अच्छा अच्छा बोल. Ma'am, you heard? I said, अरे बाबा मैम का ये बंद था, ये थोड़ी बंद था. So I will one day have no hearing day. Then you do this. Okay, by the way, I used to do this to teach children tolerance for others. So we had children with some visual issues or some hearing issues or physical issues. So we made all the children do everything that this child goes through. For example, we will tie the one hand of this child, an able child like me, पूरे दिन के लिए, and teach how do you live without a hand? What goes through in your life without this? That's the time they get realization कि वो बच्चा कितना परेशान हो रहा है कि उसके पास एक हाथ नहीं है. Then we do this eye folding days. पूरा दिन eye fold. Others have to take them around and help. This is all going to come to you through CBSE. Don't worry. I've been practicing since 15 years. CBSE is drafting all this curriculum because inclusive education has become compulsory. So if all mixed disability children are going to be in your schools, all the other children will have to be taught how to be tolerant. Then I have days when I write the way dyslexics read. So the screen will have Angrezi in that order. And all the other children who can read well are asked to read that the way I did it for you. How children read. Then I have days for Langda. किसी का पाँव बांध देती है. I have photographs. I mean, I never have it in PPT, but मेरे Facebook में सब मिलेगा आपको. So they will tie the leg of that normal child and say अभी जियो पूरा दिन ऐसा. सब समझ में आएगा कि लंगड़े बच्चे का क्या जिंदगी होता है. So more than this theory and bhashan, no, experience helps. And that's where tolerance begins, and that's where care begins. When we are normal, we don't know what somebody is going through. It's amazing. I mean, schools can make life of everybody beautiful just by implementing small things. How many of you all celebrate birthdays with cake? I would advise never to do it. Cake is poison for children with ADHD, autism, and LD. Maida and sugar, two poisonous things. And the third is the blow. The blow. When you blow the candle, what are you doing? What's coming out of your mouth? When we blow? The bad air of our mouth. And that air, there is a science. I wish I can share you that video. That air blows the candle and the fine fragments of it, the dead germs, fall on the cake, which is not visible with our eyes. And that cake, we all enjoy. Recently, America has stopped cake. Very recent news. I'll share this video if possible. I just search where I have it. We stopped cake 15 years ago. No cake cutting in my campus at all. Whenever I learn something, no, I take action. That's my habit. Till I don't know, I don't. मुझे नहीं पता. कल सुबह उठ के कुछ नया ज्ञान मिलेगा. Immediate action. No talking about it. I'm not somebody who will sit and talk and say, हाँ होना चाहिए नहीं हो रहा है. Nonsense. होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए. Are you ready to do it? Do it. Finish. I'll just show you something. Give me a second.
That was quite enlightening, no? I didn't know that. I really didn't know that about the cake. Yeah, but I knew maida and sugar. Sugar is the main culprit actually in all our lives. Any disease that feeds on our body actually feeds on the sugar. Their main food is sugar. If there is no sugar in our body, no virus will, nothing will survive. Even the cancerous cell. Okay, Bala ma'am is back.
Yeah, so sugar is so dangerous for ADHD children. It's actually poison. Why? Because their body is already super hyper. And what does sugar do? When do we give sugar to somebody? Glucose कब चढ़ाते हैं? एनर्जी लो होता है तब देते हैं ना. ADHD बच्चे का एनर्जी तो हमसे 10 गुना ज्यादा हाई है. उसको भी शुगर दोगे? ऑटिज्म के लिए तो ऑटिज्म के लिए मैदा is like giving अपने बच्चे को रोज केक दो, पेस्ट्री दो, बर्गर दो, पिज्जा दो, मार दो. That's why I talk to parents. और फिर मार दो. Kill your child with your own hands. It's the most horrible thing for such our children. Once in a blue moon is different, but it's not once in a blue moon nowadays in our homes. Swiggy जो भी है, ये लोग ने सब हमारा घर को overtake कर लिया. Okay, tell me what's this? You can type. Please type. Water bottle, polythene, cotton, paper, tissue, bottle full of tissue, plastic bottle filled with plastic, bottle stuffed with paper, bottle with plastic inside, bottle with tissue, storing small piece of plastic that spoils environment, bottle with paper inside, shaving foam, plastic inside, right? This is plastic bottle filled with plastic bags. Can you guess how many bags, plastic bags are there in this? Any number that comes to your mind. Anita says 50, Jennifer 100, Priya 30, more than 60, 50, 40, 10, 30, 20, 20, 75. There are 106 plastic bags inside this. I have been filling this for the last so many days. I had seen some video many days ago, and I clicked me that this is such an amazing thing to do. So I picked up one of the water bottles which are lying in my house. As many plastic bags come to my house every morning, I stuff one, two, जो भी आता है सब्जी में, इसमें, उसमें, उसमें. Because all this is going where? Inside the